Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle? The Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit lets you install a new aftermarket stereo right in your factory location. It fits double DIN stereos with a screen size up to 3 13/16 by 6 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm, ensuring compatibility with most popular models on the market. What sets this dash kit apart is its precision design. It creates a seamless, gapless fit between your dashboard and the new stereo, giving your car's interior a clean, factory-installed look. Plus, the color and texture perfectly match your vehicle's dash, so nothing looks out of place. Installation is straightforward, no special tools needed. The kit includes clear, step-by-step instructions that make the process quick and painless, even if you're not a tech expert. This means less time in the garage and more time enjoying your upgraded sound system. Scosche isn't new to this game. With 40 years of experience crafting high-quality car stereo accessories, their reputation speaks for itself. From wiring harnesses to adapters and amplifier kits, they understand what drivers need and expect from their products. What really gives you peace of mind is Scosche's commitment to quality. Every dash kit comes with a limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. That means if you ever have questions or run into issues, their knowledgeable support team is just a call away, for as long as you own the product. One satisfied customer shared, "It was a perfect fit for my double DIN stereo in my 2013 Santa Fe Sport 2. That kind of feedback highlights the reliability and precision you get with this kit. It's designed to fit right the first time, so you don't have to worry about modifications or gaps. If you're ready to upgrade your car stereo with confidence, this Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit is worth a look. It delivers what you need: a flawless fit, easy installation, and trusted support that lasts. Try it when you're ready to give your vehicle's sound system the upgrade it deserves. With Scosche, you're not just buying a dash kit, you're investing in a hassle-free installation backed by decades of expertise.